going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. As you see, guys, we got a brand new pit bike. It ain't this, I'm sorry, so we gotta take this out the way. But we did get a brand new pit bike, guys. So as you can see, guys, it is currently on my truck, so this is gonna take a little while. Watch this. That was pretty cool. Man, all right, you guys, this is how it looks like. It looks pretty decent. Everything looks pretty decent quality. I got it in red. It's a 140cc RFZ. I think that's an Apollo. What do we got? We got here the tire, the front tire, the suspension. Okay. And then this little box of probably bolts and screws and stuff. So it looks like it's just like a couple screws here and there, zip ties all around. So let's just go ahead and take everything out and then take this big crate out the way. Well, guys, that's pretty much it. I took out as much as zip ties that I could. It's pretty much just the plastics. It looks like the fenders, the suspension, the forks, and then obviously the tire. And then over here, I guess it was just everything is pretty much still attached to the bike and just bubble wrapped, which is pretty nice. Hopefully nothing is damaged. I did see that this is a little damaged here. I'm not sure if the manufacturer noticed that or if it happened when I was bringing the bike down. I'm not sure, but it's all good. But you definitely want to check, check everywhere, make sure there's no frame damage, there's no broken parts, and stuff like that. Everything looks pretty good. And then yeah, let's get right into this build. All right, so the first thing you want to do is put the suspension, the rear suspension. And there was 2 bolts for it. So that's this one right here with the nut and this one right here with the nut. You put that in and now the rear suspension is pretty much set. All right, so let's start going in by trying to do the forks. I think I'm gonna have it on the second line, second setting. So it's 1, 2. And that's how we check all the parts, because look, this one is actually damaged. So I'm gonna definitely take that back to the dealership and see if they can replace that plastic. Well, guys, I ended up fast forwarding a little bit because I was struggling, but basically you grab these little clamps here, you put them up here up top. These 2 will go on the top, bolted on. You want to leave everything hand loose just for the moment, just, so you can have everything ready, make sure everything is in the correct place before tightening everything down. But basically these clamps hold on the handlebar. You adjust the forks. I put it on the 3rd level right now. I'm not sure where exactly I want it yet, but that's where I'm gonna have it for now. Don't mind my ghetto rig dirt bike stand, but we got the ignition right here. We're gonna mount that on the bike. On the brakes, guys, you just take off those 2 bolts off. So we can go ahead and mount this on the bracket. Well guys, we finally got it all together. It wasn't too bad. You know, it is what it is. It was my first time doing it, so obviously it was gonna be a little pain in the ass. Well, finally, it's the next day. It took me all day yesterday. I didn't get it turned on, but now I got it turned on, and now I'm pretty much completed, guys. And as you can see, it's pretty clean. I mean, I still have to take off. You know what? Let's do a little ASMR moment. Oh. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. It comes with like a protective adhesive to cover the actual decals or the stickers. So when you're putting the bike all together, it doesn't get messed up. So that's pretty nice. Obviously guys, if you don't know by now, this is a 2021 RFZ 140cc pit bike. I think it's Apollo. Yeah, that's an Apollo brand. It just doesn't say Apollo here like the other ones do, but it's all good. It's all stock, it's brand new, and we're gonna have some fun with this thing. So let's take these stickers out and take it out for its test spin. So it does have a choke. It took me a little while to find it, but it does have a choke. Pull out the Kickstarter. Kind of weird that it has a key ignition, but that's what it is. And then, ready, got it turned on?
Of course, you will try wheeling it.
Oh, there we go. There we go. That's better. It was down, so up. Oh my god, we're like the bad people of this neighborhood, guys. Check this out. We got the little pit bike working. It's not that loud though for like a pit bike. It's a 140, but I thought it would be a lot louder. Obviously, if I put a pro circuit exhaust, it'll definitely be a lot louder. But
oh shit, the
brakes aren't that great right now. I don't know why. What do you think though? It's pretty dope, right? It's not that loud though. I want to try it on dirt. Well, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you liked the build. I know it wasn't like a how-to video, but I mean, it is my first time doing it. But it wasn't too bad. As long as you know the basic components of an actual dirt bike, you can do it too. So you already know the content that's coming for this channel with this little pit bike. So stay tuned, guys, and we out.